Alright, what is up YouTube? So today I'm gonna do something I need to do for a long time now. But I have this K&N air filter cleaner and oil. So in the previous video you saw that I can't use my air intakes because the PCV piping and all that stuff. So I was like, I have everything cut out already and there's like a good amount of airflow, so why not just clean my air filters while I can. Should be a quick little thing to do, but I also need to clean my engine bay. That should be at a later date, but should be pretty easy. Just pop these out and then you pull this out and then you just like wiggle the air filter out of the way. So I'll show you guys how it looks once I get it out. I don't know if you can see. Oh yeah, you can see all this. All this dirt and grime. So this is what was facing out. And then this is what was facing in. Just need to spray this out and then brush it a little. This one's a little worse. But I need to clean all this and then throw the cleaner on, let it sit for like 10 minutes and then rinse it out and then oil it, let it dry, let it oil up. But it's currently Thanksgiving, so I have to get ready for that in a little bit. Oh my god, look at that. Rinse the water from the side that faces inside to the intake outwards to push out the dirt. That makes sense. Okay, so I have the cleaner right here. Now I'll probably apply it to the dirty side first. Y'all can see this. Just apply a good amount because I got this car at 113,000 and it's currently 140 and I haven't cleaned these. That's one. The other one. You can see the dirt come out just a little bit. Time to wait 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'll update you guys on the RSX. So I had to raise it a little bit because I was rubbing too much the first time I lowered it. Got my alignment. It's good news coming for the RSX. So I've been having these wheels for like a while now. I just recently bought tires. Some kind of cheap Federal 595 RSRR or something like that. But they're getting put on tomorrow, which is Friday. Tomorrow morning. Should get that done. I need to clean all this. Everything's dirty. See this one. I might just do it twice, to be honest. Get everything really clean. Hopefully we gain like 300 horsepower from this, or what? Round two. A little bit. you guys. So I blow dried now. I'm trying to apply the oil and see how it looks after. Side. That's good. And then now we just let it sit for 30 minutes. Yes, sir. I'll probably set time for 30 minutes and then probably film them, see how it goes. Alright, you guys, so the air filters they're all red. So, should be good. Should be good. I popped the air filters back in, close the hood, and it should be good. Just make sure everything's dry. So I kind of sped up the process because I blow dried it, and then the oil and everything, that should be all good. But yeah, just make sure you apply a good coat to it. But this is a quick little install video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, and like, comment, subscribe, you know, help the boy out, trying to make it out the trenches, you know what I'm saying? Until next time, see you guys.